2026 BMW Futuristic Motorhome is a game-changer in luxury travel. With AI driving, a glass roof, and a suite that feels like a five-star hotel, Honest Auto Wheels takes you inside this rolling masterpiece. Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we explore the most innovative vehicles in the world. Today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, the 2026 BMW Futuristic Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury residence powered by smart technology, all-electric efficiency, and BMW's signature design brilliance. At first glance, the exterior of the BMW Motorhome is jaw-dropping. The body is crafted from ultra-lightweight, carbon fiber panels, fused with aerodynamic aluminum alloys. The front end features BMW's iconic kidney grille, but it's now completely sealed and backlit with a dynamic LED matrix that changes color based on drive mode. Its 26-inch turbine wheels and adaptive chassis enhance performance and give it a spaceship-like presence on the road. As you step inside, the true magic begins. The interior has been designed with the comfort of a premium loft, offering a perfect blend of minimalism and futuristic luxury. The floor is heated smart glass with customizable tinting. A panoramic electrochromic glass roof stretches from end to end, offering stargazing mode at night and full blackout privacy during the day. The seating is made of memory-shaping vegan leather that adjusts to your body's pressure points. Ambient lighting reacts to your mood, and the air purification system constantly adjusts humidity and temperature to your preference. Motorhome isn't just about looks, it's intelligent. Powered by BMW's Gen 6 eDrive system with dual electric motors, producing 750 horsepower. You can cook a meal, watch a movie on the 85-inch retractable OLED screen, or relax in the full lounge bed. The kitchen area features induction cooking, a smart refrigerator that restocks itself via your connected app, and a fold-out dining station. There's also a walk-in bathroom with a rainfall shower, integrated speakers, and heated walls. All utilities, including water, power, and waste, are managed through a self-regenerating ecosystem powered by solar panels and hydrogen cell backup. Control everything from lighting to entertainment with your voice, smartwatch, or the BMW Smart Glass dashboard that wraps around the cockpit. The system syncs with your calendar, suggests routes, and even recommends scenic stops with real-time weather and traffic data. With a starting price of around $450,000, the 2026 BMW Futuristic Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. For those who demand the ultimate in design, comfort, and intelligent travel. Whether you're exploring the mountains or cruising coastlines, luxurious escape pod for the roads ahead. That wraps up our exclusive look at the 2026 BMW Futuristic Motorhome. Let us know what you think in the comments and whether this is your dream machine. Subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels.